side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome to my channel, my dear learners. How are you? In this video tutorial, this video is not made for those who have a background of computer science and computer engineering. This video is for those who doesn't have any background in computer science and computer engineering. For instance, they might be background of economics, accounting, business and other non-technical subjects. For those who are pursuing data science, machine learning as their future career, this video is for them. So without further delay, let's get started.
Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasser Skill Tone. In my channel, I try to highlight different skills, the skills that matter for your career. These mostly are data science, machine learning with economics and business, life skills, educational how-to, questions and many more. If you like my effort, do subscribe my channel.
In this video, I am going to discuss about how you can make your career towards data science and machine learning from a non-technical background. So without further delay, I would like to share with you there are 3 major tips which I follow as I am a non-technical person. I am a PhD in economics, so I want to switch, and of course it is my hobby to work on data science and machine learning, which is also related to my domain as well. So how I done my job, or how I am pursuing my job in data science and machine learning path, I would like to share with you. You can ask me, doctor, maybe there are a lot of way we can learn data science, right? Maybe watching lots of tutorials in YouTube, or maybe you can assign yourself in Udemy or Coursera courses for data science and machine learning courses. But that is also very important. But you know, my dear learners, I have tried all of those, but after trying all of those, I have come to the conclusion that there should be a 3 basic way you can pursue your data science and machine learning career for your future dream jobs. So what are those tips? First tips, as I think I am little bit of old school, so I start my journey with very basic meaning that I start with the free books learning. So I have some books. The first book I would like to share with you is the boring stuff with Python. If you would like to start your data science and machine learning dream job for learning Python, this is the first book that you should read. And in this book you can start, anyone who is 6th standard and above can read this book. It is very good book to start with for Python basics. So start with this book if you are very interested to learn Python. Okay, then the next one is I would like to share those who are interested. The next one is I would like to share those who are interested to pursue the data science and machine learning career with R. And here, practical data science with R. This is a very good resource. This is a free resource, and this book can help you to learn data science and machine learning projects and the basics and foundations with R software very easily. And this is for you who are interested to start their journey with R software. Okay. Now the next one I would like to share, the Python data science handbook. Okay, after reading the basic Python from Python, the automated stuffs with boring stuff, the book, after that you can start with this book, Python data science handbook. This is a very good book, a comprehensive book, free of course, for your Python resources, all the libraries, pandas, matplotlib, numpy, you name it, all these things are well incorporated in this particular book. And then finally, if you are interested to pursue your dream job in machine learning hackers, machine learning for hackers, this is a very good online free book for your data science projects, understanding for machine learning algorithm. This book is for you who are interested to pursue their job, particularly in machine learning algorithms. This is the best free resource to start with. I always try to start with the basic books Books can give you a comprehensive idea, a stepwise guideline how you can pursue your data science and machine learning career. Now, this is number 1 tip. Number 2 tips is that you have to make a good friendship with Kaggle platform. Kaggle undoubtedly the best place for data science and machine learning students and the beginners to play with the data, because there are a lot of data available in Kaggle. I believe there are more than 6,000 data set available in Kaggle, and you can upload your own project. You can start new notebook in Kaggle for your learning data science and starting data science in a more basic and fundamental way. So make friendship with Kaggle platform. And finally, I would like to share one more tip is that if you would like to make a good data scientist career in future, you have to start with doing data science. How? Let's say if you are asking some other clients to solve their problem, they might not give you some projects to start with, right? In this case, you can ask your peers, your friends, or maybe you can volunteer yourself for any social organizations to ask them whether they need a data scientist or machine learning persons or students who are able to volunteer their time to solve their problem. So you need data scraping, data visualization, different type of modelings with the data science and machine learning algorithms. So you can attach yourself with some voluntary work. Voluntary work meaning that solving other problems, which is who are your nearer and dearer one, and who can rely on you, trust on you, and have faith that yes, you can do and help them. So you can try with that as well, because they will not have more expectation from you. Rather, if you solve their problem, they will be very happy because you are doing it almost for free. So these are the 3 tips. Start with the book. Of course, you can start and play around with the Kaggle, and finally allow yourself engaging in data science machine learning projects voluntarily for your peers and dearer ones. Of course, you can watch tutorials. Of course, you can watch and engage yourself with the different courses. I don't disagree with you, but these are endless. How many tutorials you have to watch? And you know one thing, I would like to tell you a secret. What secret? You know, you start with the Python basics, right, or R basics, right? Now, for example, this way I tried. I did not learn much about that. But what is the best way to learn? Take a data set or a project or a problem, and then you start working with that. When you need a specific problem, please Google and go to that specific tutorial to learn to solve your specific problem, and that is the best way you can solve your problem, because learning by doing, in my opinion, is the best way to learn data science and machine learning algorithms. So all these things is the 2021 best solution, in my opinion, to become your career as a data scientist and machine learning future jobs for your expectations. And one last thing I would like to share with you, my dear learners. Of course, you are here for data science and machine learning, and you are interested to know whether you start with the Python and R. You know, these are very close to language platform. Okay, the language platform Python is for a general programming purposes. If you are interested more on data analyst, then I would suggest you to start with R. For 3 to 4 months, work with this R, and using the free resources that I have showed you. Please use those resources to become an efficient R user. Use your 3 to 4 months time with the R. Okay, after that you switch to Python for your web scraping or maybe data visualizations and different type of Python libraries you can watch, and you know, you can work with that, because Python and R, in my opinion, is orange and a lemon. Both test you almost same thing, but they are two different things but very close thing. So orange and lemon, you understand my point, right? So start with the R, take your time for 3 to 4 months learning R, and then you start learning Python to become a good comprehensive data scientist in future. So with that note, I'd like to conclude. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.